In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently utilize the Apify node in n8n and make a seamless transition from manual HTTP requests. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your n8n workflow. This is your starting point and where we'll begin making our adjustments. Once you're in your workflow, the first task is to add the Apify node. This is straightforward. Simply click on Add Node within the n8n interface. Then, use the search feature to look for Apify. When you see it, select the Apify node to add it directly to your workflow. This node will be essential for integrating Apify's functionalities into your process. Now, moving forward, it's time to configure the Apify credentials. This is a crucial step because without the proper credentials, the Apify node won't be able to communicate with Apify's platform. Within the settings of the Apify node, you will find a Credentials drop-down menu. Here, you have the option to choose either an existing Apify credential or create a new one if necessary. Most importantly, if you need to create new credentials, you'll need your Apify API key. You can find this key by logging into your Apify account, navigating to the account settings, and then looking under API tokens. Make sure to keep this information at hand, as it will be required to complete the setup. Once your credentials are set up, it's time to select the appropriate resource and operation you wish to conduct within Apify. This is where you choose the specific tasks you want to perform. For example, inside the Apify node, there's a drop-down for resource. This allows you to select what exactly you'd like to interact with, be it an actor, a dataset, or a run. After selecting your desired resource, the next step is to determine the operation you want to execute for that resource. For instance, you might choose Run an Actor if your aim is to initiate a specific actor. Or you might go with Get Dataset Items if your goal is to retrieve data from a dataset. And there you have it. Following these steps allows you to fully utilize the power of the Apify node in n8n, all while moving away from those manual HTTP requests that you may have been using previously. Remember, the integration of Apify into your workflow not only simplifies processes, but also enhances the efficiency and capability of your automations. Hopefully, this tutorial has provided clarity on using the Apify node and will assist you in streamlining your workflow operations. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.